How to fix Instagram community guidelines. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to remove community guidelines problem. So all what you wanna do is open your Instagram and then go to your profile, click on edit profile right here and then click on the bio and change it. After you change your bio, click on yes from here, go back, click on those three lines and then click on the settings, click on the help option and click here in the top option report problem, click on OK and then click on report problem without shaking. On this page you have to contact the Instagram support team, tell them the problem that you have and they will answer you in less than a few hours in your email. After that the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you very much for watching.